Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be cleaning out my pantry. I am excited for you guys to see the final product. It turns out so good, so stay tuned. You guys are going to love this. I am going to start by pulling everything out of the pantry, going to get rid of the things that are expired or we just honestly I purchased and decided not to use, don't really like it. I'm not going to hold on to those things anymore. I feel like the more I get rid of, I'm actually making space for other things that I really do enjoy to come in and fill the space. So like I said, also going to show you guys how to get the stickers and the stickiness off of these containers with some essential oils. Today I also want to share with you guys a small channel that I am loving right now. She Makes 31. She has got such a sweet disposition. I think you guys will really love her. Also check her out on Instagram, but definitely go say hello to her and give her some love. I am using my lemon essential oils to get the sticker residue off. It works wonders. It works on so many things and it leaves the container smelling very nice. This container here is actually where we had the peanut butter pretzels, and I took the sticker residue off and spray painted the lid. So I have this white bin and I've got some of the kids mac and cheese in there, and then a biscuit box mix right there. And this bin, this is supposed to be for popcorn and crackers. I moved the crackers. I will get some popcorn when I go to the store, but it has our cocoa mix and my Kind bars. I love to eat these before I go to the gym. So here I got my paper plates and my onions in this basket. It is perfect. Here are our overflow of condiments and peanut butter. Got the syrup and Nesquik, kind of the sweet stuff here. Some drink stuff. I told you guys about this. and baking mixes. Here I've got pastas and things like that. This is one of the ones that I got for my refrigerator, and I decided to use it here. I like it because it's got a higher lip and things won't fall off. Got this from Marshall's for $4.99. Here are all my K-cups. Got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, 20% off. Got this a while back. Here are our teas. I spray painted this. This is where our peanut butter pretzels were. I just spray painted the lid. I am going to do that with each one of these. Once these are finished, I'm going to spray paint the lids and save them, because you can use this for so many things. And honestly, this helps not have to go and buy more containers. Here's all of our breads, chips. This is Isabella's pile right here. All of this stuff is the stuff that she eats. I keep it separate. And then all of our rice and beans. So the final color is gold. I love the way it looks. I think it is the perfect complement for this pantry. I have been loving navies and gold, so I'm just obsessed with this color. This rack here is from Walmart. It's a 2-pack for $9. I use zip ties to hold it from the back because it's supposed to go on more of a solid type of shelf. Here is our food overflow and the laundry room. You may remember this from some of my videos where I'm in my laundry room. This is where we put some of the baking supplies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, or subscribe if you want to see more. I will see you in the next one. Bye!